Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an X account, which is formerly called Twitter, on your mobile device. Creating an X account on your mobile device is a straightforward process that allows you to join the platform and start connecting with others. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an X account using your mobile device. So guys, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to engage this video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to download the X app, the Twitter app. And for you to do that, you have to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. Go over to your Play Store if you're using an Android device, but if you're using an Apple device or an iOS device, then you have to go over to your App Store. So guys, let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial. But if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, still follow through. They are all the same steps. So guys, let me tap on Play Store. Let me tap on my Play Store to open it. So guys, now you can see my Play Store is opening up. So once your Play Store opens up, what you have to do now is to search for the app called X. You can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then you tap on the search bar at the top. Then what you can simply do is to type in X. So let me type in X. Then you tap on search. Right there guys is the X app. So what you have to do is to tap on it to open it up. So let me tap on it to open up the web page. So guys, can see it more clearly. You can see the logo X, you can see the name right there, X. So what you can do now is to tap on install to install the app. So let me tap on install right away. Right there guys, can see the app I've started installing. You can see it's at 5%. So let's wait till it gets to 100%. Then after that, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, that's how it's done. So let's wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see it has gotten to 98%. It's going to get to 100 in a few seconds. Now you can see it has started installing now. So let's wait a few seconds like I said. So guys, now you can see the X app is done installing. You can see where it is written installed. So the next step you have to take now is to tap on open. So let me tap on open. Right there guys, can see the X app is opening. You can see it's loading up. You can see here's the next step. It says see what's happening in the world right now. So what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see create account. You can see it right there. But if you already have an X account already, what you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see login. But this video is about how to create an X account. So let me tap on create account right away. You can see guys, it's loading up. Right here guys, the next step, see what is written there. It says create your account. So what you have to do right away now is to input your name, your email, and date of birth. So let me do that real quick. Right there guys, can see I've inputted my name and also I've inputted my email address and also I've selected my date of birth. So what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see next. But before I tap on next, you can see what's written there. They said this will not be shown publicly. Confirm your own age, even if this account is for a business, a pet, or something else. So guys, now you can see it, I've done that. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. All this information you have imputed here will not be made public after your account has been created. This is going to be made private. So guys, since these are on private information, personal information, so guys, let me tap on next right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Wow guys, can see here's the next step. It says we sent you a code, enter it below to verify your email. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go over to my email inbox to get a code real quick. So let me do that right away. Then let me go over to my Gmail app. Right there guys is the official email from X. You can see it right there, X. You can see the code right there. Let me tap on it to open it up. You can see confirm your email address. So let me go ahead now to copy the code. Then let me tap on copy. Then let me go back to the Twitter app. Let me tap on it to open it. Then let me paste it real quick. You can see I've pasted it. So let me tap on next. You can see now guys it's loading. You can see here's the next step. He said you will need a password. Make sure it's 8 characters or more. So guys, what you have to do now is to create a password and make sure it's something that you can easily remember and that people can't easily guess. So guys, let me go ahead now to do that real quick. Right there guys, you can see I've created the password, I've inputted it. So what I have to do now is to tap on sign up. So let me tap on sign up real quick. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. You can see the next step. It says take a profile picture. You can see they're asking me to save my password to my Google account. No, I don't want that. So let me cancel out of this. You can see the next step. It says take a profile picture, have a favorite selfie, upload it now. If you don't want to upload this now, you can tap on skip for now. You can see it right there. So let me tap on skip for now, or should I upload one? Let me just upload one. Let me upload. Let me tap on upload, then let me tap on choose existing photo. So it's going to direct me to my phone gallery. Then let me get the picture real quick. Let me get it real quick. Here is my WhatsApp album. So guys, let me select this image right there. Let me tap on it. You can see guys, I selected the image. So let me tap on apply right there at the top. Let me tap on it. You can see the next step, it says allow X to access photos and videos on this device. So let me tap on allow all. Then let me tap on next. You can see the image has been selected, my profile picture. So let me tap on next. You can see guys, it's loading up. It says what should we call you? You can see your username is unique. You can always change it later. Let me edit this. I don't want this. Let me edit it. Let me put it as this. You can see guys, I've selected that. So let me tap on next, and you can also skip this step if you don't want it. You can see where it's written skip for now, but I want it. So let me tap on next. You can see guys, it's loading. It says allow X to send you notifications. So let me tap on allow. You can see the next step, it says see who is on X. Syncing your content is one way to find people to follow and build your timeline. You can see you decide who to follow, get notified when someone you know joins X, and turn on syncing at any time. So you can do all of this at your own leisure time. So let me tap on continue. Then let me tap on allow to allow X to access my contact. If you don't want that, tap on don't allow. So let me tap on allow. I want it. You can see guys, it's loading up. Wow guys, can see they're already suggesting accounts that I can follow on X. You can see what's written there, suggested follows. You will see tweets from people you follow in your home timeline. You can see these are people that I can follow. These are suggested accounts. So let me tap on next. I will do the following later. You can see as the next step, it says follow one or more accounts. When you follow someone, you will see their post in your timeline. You will also get more relevant recommendations. So let me just get to follow one person right here. Let me scroll upwards. Then let me follow this person right here, P2B. Let me tap on it. He's a presidential candidate in Nigeria. Let me tap on follow. Then let me tap on next. Wow guys, can now see I've been able now to create an X account, which is formerly called Twitter. You can see what's written there, see post in any language. So guys, if you want to add any other language that you want to see post, then you can actually do that. So guys, now you can see this is Cristiano Ronaldo. This is latest post. You can see now I can now tweet, I can now engage, and the rest of it. You can see these are accounts that I can follow. You can see these are tweets from various persons. You can see so guys, now this I can be able to create an X account, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.